Here we go, up to the beach. We're on the beach bus.
Do you remember that?
No such thing as health and safety in this country. You just don't want to fall out of there.
Alright guys, I'm doing the same with the beach.
That one?
Good old Blue East Gold, the Milky Way.
That's where your entertainment is on a night time.
What?
If you can call it entertainment. Little stage area there. Not for us. We make our own entertainment.
Do you remember that, babe?
What?
The red car and the blue car had a race.
Wasn't it Milky Way? Milky Way, wasn't it? Yeah. Just down there, that's where you walk. That's where Soho Square is. EasyJet's coming into land now.
I think Pauline thinks she's out pursuit of service users.
What?
I think it was that last muffin she had. Got something in that last muffin.
There was something
That last muffin you had.
that muffin that you've just eaten, did it have something green and spicy in it by any chance?
I had one as well. That's the spa that way, look.
Oh, is it?
The Sour spa.
Do we get off here then?
No. We're going to the beach. That we don't
Well,
like.
this is Doubletree beachside.
Yeah, we don't like that food in there. What's £4 for a restaurant there? How much? £4. And the atmosphere.
But we're not stopping it. We're going to the beach.
The atmosphere is terrible.
We're going snorkelling.
The manager.
There we go. Just down there, look.
I'm so glad we have one.
Oh, look, they're in the pool.
That's your beachside pool.
Their pool's too small.
That's a bit small, isn't it?
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, we don't like that. We'd have to share it with people.
Nah, we'll stick to mountainside. Pool's a lot better. It's massive.
Yeah,
That's tiny. That's like a puddle compared to mountainside.
yeah, the others might be updated. Did you do that? They were going to call right next to it, but straight onto their pool.
Oh, I did it in puddle, isn't it?
And our room's bigger, even though theirs is more modern, we've got bigger rooms.
I think they're going to camping or something.
I like her life, no problem with our room whatsoever. You won't have your mat.
No.
Plenty of wardrobe space.
I've slept fine every night. And then this, yeah, do we walk down there?
Is this the beach?
Yeah, we'll tell you that now, Dad.
Yeah, you don't need to when you're in water. When you get off
Well,
it.
you think on YouTube when you love the video. Yes, it does.
Only when there's nobody looking. Seaside.
What's Giggy? Do you know what?
These orbs are looking well, isn't it? Tide's in for once.
No fucking. I mean, I won't swear. On the video.
Oh, towel dude.
Dad is so far behind us, we sent out 10 minutes ago.
I was doing a video. Oh. There is a bar somewhere.
I think it's down there. Ah! That sounds a lot. One back.
Telling to sea. It looks beautiful out there.
You alright, Mum? Oh, it certainly needs. Some are lower down than others. I know, that's it.
You alright, you still?
It's not going to bend me right now. These are getting steeper and steeper, these bastards.
Best bit is we've got to go back up the fuck.
Normally I run downstairs.
Oh fuck! Oh, that's a big one, Ollie. Another big one. Some beds up there. Look, come on, end. Don't like these steps. Get this one here, Ollie. Oh, it's swum away now. They're like things that live in the sea. Look, look at that fish. Look at that fish.
Oh my god, blue! Size of fish!
Look at her here. Here, look. Look at them, there's 3 of them.
Oh yeah?
Whoa!
They look bigger.
What, do you not think they were that big? No. It was bigger than that. Look. How close to get to you?
No, there's a one.
Here, look at them here. There's 4 of them here, look. In fact, there's loads here, look. Look at them all here, where I am. All these fishes. Oh, look. And that's just a foot of water. put under there.
Oh, I don't know.
Yeah. Did it down at